Hi everyone and welcome to Iris Mastery series. In this video I want to show you what is the sleep page for and how to use it effectively to lower the blue light during the night. Basically at night at 0 o'clock to 4 a.m. at 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. Basically, not like other blue light filters, Iris has 3 transition times. One is for the day, the second is for the night, and the third is something I call sleep transition. Because I found that when I use Iris, the night mode actually doesn't match, was not the best in deep into the night. At, for example, at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock at night, the night mode was not the best for sleep, and I constantly needed to go to Iris and change the night light. For example, I used these values into 2 o'clock, and I wanted a third transition which can do this automatically for me. And this is how the idea of the sleep transition was born. You can find it from the advanced settings and going to the sleep page. From here you can customize the sleep light and the sleep brightness. You can think of the sleep light and brightness if this is the day, and this is how the blue light goes in one spiral form based on the sunset on the sunrise, and the sleep transition basically overrides this with new values. This was too technical, so I'm just going to show you. Right now in my country it's 6 p.m. and if I customize the sleep transition to be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. it's now sleep mode, and if I disable this, it goes back to the normal day and light cycles from the transition times. You can actually see the transition times from the sleep transition. It's called bedtime. Here you see it from 6 a.m. to 8 o'clock. And if I enable it again, I'm going to a sleep transition. If I move this to 1 hour later, you can see how Iris is slowly transitioning to this value. Right now it's almost the sleep light is used, and here it's completely, Iris is completely using the sleep light. If I change this to a later hour, it doesn't even start to apply the settings because the transition time of Iris is 1 hour. So you can use the sleep transition to set a third transition time aside from the day and the night transition, and I use it personally for deep into the night from 0 to 4 a.m. These are the times I personally use the sleep transition for, and these are the default values, so most of the time you don't need to change them, but for example you can move this to this value if you want an earlier if you have an earlier bedtime, because I'm going to sleep, I don't know, I'm a night owl and I don't like to go to sleep early, so I used the sleep transition from 0 to 4 a.m. and you can enable it and disable it from here. It overrides, it works on top of the day and night transition. Thank you very much.